Katrina Haynes from Haynes & Associates. You're about to watch a brief snippet from one of my webinars. I'll be back when it's over to give you more information. Enjoy.
So there are many types of foreign entities that can impact a U.S. individual's tax return. This session is going to focus on four: the controlled foreign corporation, which we would file on Form 5471, the passive foreign investment company, or PFIC, which is reported on Form 8621, the foreign partnership, which is reported on Form 8865, and the foreign trusts, which are reported on both Forms 3520 and 3520A. So let's talk about each of these different sessions. As we're going through each of these sessions, I do want to point out that we refer to either a U.S. filer or a U.S. shareholder, and I want to make sure that you understand what that means. So for the purposes of this conversation and the purposes of these situations, when we're talking about a U.S. shareholder or a U.S. filer, our base is we're either talking about a U.S. citizen, a U.S. green card holder, a resident alien, or potentially a dual status alien. So U.S. citizen is pretty straightforward. That's someone who is either born in the U.S. and has U.S. citizenship, or a naturalized citizen, someone who moved to the U.S., applied and received citizenship, and was naturalized as a U.S. citizen. So generally speaking, that's someone that holds a U.S. passport. U.S. green card holder is someone who's immigrated to the U.S. and has obtained a green card. It's not the same as having citizenship, but from a tax perspective, it's very, very similar, with some limited exceptions. A U.S. resident alien is someone who has met the substantial presence test, meaning they are not a U.S. citizen, they're not a U.S. green card holder, but because of the number of days that they've spent living and or working in the United States, they are required to file a tax return and report their worldwide income. They have to file a Form 1040. A dual status alien is a taxpayer who for part of the year was a resident, part of the year was a non-resident. This is very similar to the treatment of taxpayers that have foreign bank account reporting. If a part of your year you were treated as a resident, then you would be required to follow the same rule, even if you weren't a resident for the entire year. So that's where we start. Now, when we get into each of these sections, it will then say a U.S. shareholder that also, and then there's different rules for each taxpayer. But just wanted to make sure that at our base, we all understand that who a U.S. shareholder is, who a U.S. taxpayer is, or who a U.S. person is, because we're going to refer to them a lot with Switzerland.
Thanks for watching. For more information on this and other webinars, you can check the description box, or you can visit me on my website, www.hayneshelp.com. Thanks again for watching and for letting Haynes help you.